Alright, you guys, in TJ Maxx we have Steve Madden handbag, $39.99. $35. This is a new color option. Yeah, I haven't seen these grays. And we have the brown. And this one here, we just saw one with this handle. Isn't that kind of cool? Kind of like that handle. And we have Juicy Couture. I feel like we always see this one. $25. Is that Aldo? No, it's Anne Klein. Whoa. Oh, what is this one? On the Steve Madden. I get the scarf. That one's kind of cute. For $39.99. $39.99. And this white one, just like the brown. It's kind of cute. This one is $40. Okay. They're like rearranging my whole TJ. It looks a little brighter in here, or it could be me. Okay, I feel like a lot of these juicies we already seen before. This pink one will be new. There's a little bag tangled in it. The pink for $29.99. Oh, look. It also comes in the black version. It is going to be a long strap. I'm not too sure if you could shorten that. It doesn't really look like it. It looks pretty long. So we have the mint green and pink. And then this one is $45. True Religion, $39.99. These nice suede ones, which I really do love, $59.99. $59.99 on the pink. This Ted Baker one is $70. Here's another True Religion. This one is $40. In the red. Oh, I kind of do like this red. It's like a deep red, not so bright. The Guess one in the red is $40, and then $120 for Kate Spade. Okay, so these right here, okay, these are $40. I want to say same price right now in Costco. They also have this in Five Below for $25. I just bought one at Five Below to try it out. Here's a rolling thing. Again, if you're dorm living or for yourself, laundry mat or something, this it's gonna be perfect. But these are $40. You know what? I don't think I've seen this white one in the pink. This is $35. Removable strap. It just says Von Dutch right there. And this is $80. Oh, haven't seen this one at Burlington. $40 on the Juicy Couture. And your blue Steve Madden for $35. This Guess one. This one will be $40. And more True Religion in the back. I just saw this one on Ross. DKNY in the dark denim. And you have the gems for $39.99. Hey, where did we see this bag? Marshall's? Marshall's. I was like, it just came from Marshall's or Ross. A Betsey Johnson with a martini. That is $29.99. Okay, let's see. We have the Betsey Johnson, the sardine one. There's a ghost with the legs back there. Let me pan in. $15. Oh, look at that. $29.99. World's Best Teacher. I believe that's an ornament. Ooh, look at that tarantula ring. This one's $17. Day of the Dead in the back with the skulls. $15. Betsey Johnson. Well, actually, I'm not too sure if that's Betsey. It could be. Oh, and she has a skull one back here. $15. You pan in. I think we're just gonna have to Okay, we have the cat necklace and the earrings. That's $17. $17 for that. Oh, look at this. $12.99. And this one right here. These are $15. They're cute. Oh, they're $15. Little layering. Hello Kitty. A lot of Disney. I'm gonna skip on that. A few of these crosses though. This is $15. I've never seen a Tweety Bird one, but $12.99. Let's see. Estee Lauder, 24 karat gold. Before and after. I wonder if that really works. Drunk Elephant. Again, you can find Drunk Elephant in Ross. Hey. I'm just talking about this. $8. come on, getting the teddy bear one. That's the Cookie Monster one. It's funny. Okay. And slippers. These are by 9 West. Then we have Rebecca Minkoff, $10. Doggies. These are $17. So many cute towel wraps. Towel wraps. Laura Ashley 5-pack here, $15. 20 Danskin. These are soft. These are cooling too. And this set, I feel like we've seen these before. Any Halloween? Monster Mash. They did the mash. $5.99. This one's gonna be $5. It's kind of cute. So I creep. That's a song. Yeah, just creeping on the down low. He's creeping. He's $5.99. Nobody telling him. Sorry, I'm booked. I'm booked. I'm booked. I like the ghost reading. These are really cute. The switchy one. $5.99. I don't do mornings. Winnie the Pooh. Dead water bottles. Just a lot of Stanleys right now. These little mini one. This one has like little pancakes. Little pancakes in your little mimosa in here. $8. Take that to the Cracker Barrel or any restaurant. They don't know what you're drinking. Don't do that. Don't drink and drive. Do not drink and drive. Oh, look at the lime green one. They have ASU, Diamondbacks, water bottles. And you know what? They used to have this in blue. But you know, $29.99. So nice. And this one you can find in Home Goods, I think in blue. Oh look, they have the pineapple too. Ooh, look at the strawberry. That one's cute. That's $8. Who knew kitchen decor could be cute? $5.99. One plate at a time. Not Demi Lovato. You want a pizza, me? Okay. Oh my gosh, is this like a Harry Potter one? Like a Lego one? Let me turn it around for you. Oh, I got it. I heard Christmas. Did you hear that? Mm-hmm. That little kid must be watching something Christmassy. It's like, joy to the world. This kind of looks like that moon one. So I'm pretty much just 10. This one, ooh, 15. Woo, woo, woo. The only thing about these, we couldn't take the light off, right? Remember?
Yeah, we tried.
We tried to take the light off. We couldn't do it. Oh, look at this one. $12.99 is a plastic one. The polka dot one's really cute, but that's the candle warmer. That's not really enough light though. A little bit of Halloween in here. I'm gonna scan through this because I did make a video on this. Oh look, they have a snow globe today. 17. Doesn't play music, just has like little glitter and bats on it. This does light up. They're like little zombie hands, which is really cool. So I have a video coming up on this. Ooh, this is new. Okay, that's pretty long. Is that broken? That lasts a long time. That's 20 bucks. And then we have this one. Okay, that did last forever. I was like, oh, everybody's looking at me. Hurry up. Oh, here's this guy with a no head by Hollow Home. This one's $17 for that. I kind of like that. And the ghost, the little ghost friend, he is $8. We have the Bone Daddy on the swing. I know there's like a ghost one with a couple, I think. This one's $15. A little bit of frames, $8, $7. And this guy down here, he is $29.99, and it looks like he will light up. Probably needs batteries. And $25 right here, and it looks like that will light up. More ghosts. Okay, tons of ghosts. The guy with the eyeballs. This one kind of looks like the one from Cracker Barrel. Does it light up? This Cracker Barrel has one that moves. This doesn't move. Oh, maybe it does. Oh. How much is this one? $40 for this guy. That's kind of cool. It's a little different again. Oh look, today they have the dog. I only seen the cat one. This one's gonna be $30. The witchy lady, witchy woman. Okay, tons of chairs, like the wide chair. It's gonna be a good one for dorm. Like they're calling it what, the crisscross chair? I'm not too sure. Let's see, 100 by Rachel. Oh gosh, a Nautica fan. A few more chairs. Something Wicked comes this way. I like these stitch ones. These are like really cute though. This one's 100. Okay, it has rails on it. Then you have a mirror. You can put your jewelry. Okay, 100. What if it all works out? Yeah, here it is right here. By Becky Owens. This chair swivels for 150. That's a good chair too. But we want more storage. You know what I mean? I'm trying to find like lamps. Like this is 80. This could go somewhere in the corner. And yeah, there we go. Store some stuff, blankets or whatever. Here's all the back pillows. Gosh, I'm just like really ticked off that I'm beating myself up because I didn't buy that one. I wanted to. Now I can't find it anywhere. All these are lightweight. The one I wanted was heavy bottom. But look at all these designs. Most of these are $35. Again, your animal print. You have a heart-shaped one. This one's by Nicole Miller for $35. This one's actually pretty heavy. That's a heavy one. The rest are like kind of like foamy so they fall over. Laura Ashley for $39.99. And they have some dark colors too. Oh my gosh, look at that cute dog stuff. Hot dogs only, hot dogs. I need an interactive toy. If you have any interactive toy suggestions, let me know. Because like we have plushies, because somebody at work gifted me a whole box of plushies. But I'm like, my dog don't care for them. Even buy him baby toys, because you know the rattle and stuff like that. But he needs an interactive toy. He just likes to pee and poop everywhere. That's a cute throw. I think we might have seen this one for $29.99. We just came from a place we just saw these pillows. So $69.99. This is Dorm Living Twin XL. It's a 12-piece. You get a 4-piece solid pattern set. They also have it in dark blue. Well, this one is 40 bucks. Tommy, $29.99. $12.99. This is kind of cute. Little baby Gap one. You get a 3-piece set. There's also a dinosaur set. Strong like daddy. That's cute. Little dinosaurs on them. 10 bucks. Cute bear one. These are $12.99. Okay, so looking in the baby toy section, I bought this for the dog so he could chew on it because he likes to chew on all the rubber cords. He does not care for it. I mean, he chewed on it, and there's that looks like a dog. Is that a dog toy?
Yeah, puppies.
You'd think he would be chewing on that all day because he likes to chew on everything else. They don't. They don't care. It's making me mad. Okay, they have these pants here. They're like jeans with the stripes. Hey, I used to wear those back in the day. I did. These are $29.99. And then the sweater, well, cotton for $20. More wide leg. Okay. I really want to dig into women's stuff. I feel like I don't dig into it a lot, but it gets so crowded. Clothing department is hard to film unless you come first thing in the morning, like before work or right when they open, or like the last hour before the store closes. Alright guys, I gotta get on out of here. Hey, what do we think about this with the denim collar? This is $20. It is kind of a crop look. Then we have this one. This is $25. Do we like that? Alright you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.